Cece, come here. Cece. Come here, little girl. Come here. Alright, let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, Cece. Cece, let me see the ball. Hey, no. Alright, so this is my dog's ball. Used to be my friend's favorite soccer ball, but now it's her favorite soccer ball. And she loves it, as you can see. Cece, come here. Got our tomato plants. Pretty big. Come here, Cece. Come here. Ski. Yeah, she's a pretty good girl. Oh, that's a good one. Look, this one time she was running really fast and she tried to stop right over there. Then she hit that weird wagon thing. Cece! Come on, girl! Come here. Let me see it. Cece, let me see it. Let me see it. No. I see no. There's our Jeep. Gotta store it back here, but watch this. She's trying to get it, but it's in that pin right there. Yeah, see the entrance? She's going. She's so dumb. Look at her. You gotta go in, Cece.